here. It's a brand new Diamond C little forklift trailer or man lift trailer, whatever you want to call it. Little tilt deck trailer. When the customer has it hooked up to his truck and it's sitting level as it is right now, as you always want to pull your trailers, the jack had a little problem swinging down. You can't swing it down, it's a little too low. We only have a couple inches of ground clearance in the front here, which would cause them to bottom out going in and out of driveways. What we're going to do for this customer, cut the tongue right there. We're going to take this piece of the tongue, step it up on top of the other piece, which gives it a 6-inch lift. We're going to cut some side plates, some gusset plates, tie it all together, and hopefully the only thing we'll really have to move besides that would be these little safety hook holders on the bottom, which the customer doesn't really care about, or we could relocate them. I'm going to video clip this process. We'll see how it comes out. So we went ahead, removed the jack, removed the breakaway switch, removed the coupler, pulled all the wires back through, and put everything up here to get us started. So this is a little computer simulation to make sure I'm referencing everything correctly and my gusset plates come out the way I want them to. This would represent the jack mount. This would represent the spare tire mount. This represents the cut that I have marked. So we're going to take the tongue and we're going to put it on top like so, and then we're going to cut some gusset plates and put them in here like this. This represents the driver's side. This piece would represent the passenger side. It's just a mirrored image flipped over. This is the gusset piece itself. Those are the two gusset pieces on the side. And we'll have to cut some cap plates for the tube and a couple other little pieces that I'm going to add in just for some extra security. Alright, we got the tongue cut off and the safety hook holders. I decided to use a cutoff wheel because I wanted a really accurate cut on this particular application. I want it to come out real clean, real nice, straight, a lot less prep to put it all back together. Getting it prepped for welding. That's the tongue on the trailer. Here's the other part of the tongue on the bench. We take the time to orbital sand it out after using a hard disc and a sand pad just to get the radiuses all nice. Little pet peeve is grind marks. I hate seeing grind marks on a job after it's finished painted. We try to sand it all out, give a nice surface for the paint to adhere to, and feather everything in. Feather everything in for the new paint, makes it a little easier to weld. I go back a little further than I anticipate, back to here, simply in an attempt to avoid burning the paint or having to sand burnt paint or powder coating after welding on it. So we went and welded on the end cap and cut a hole in the bottom and the front part, and on the trailer cut a hole in the top. Welded the end cap on. This is going to be a place for wires to go through. We got the tongue welded back on. All the way through. Now this would probably be enough, but we're going to go ahead and plate the sides as well for a little extra security. Alright, we got the gusset plates welded on. Hey, play that TikTok song that everybody does all that crazy camera work with.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah, do that. Right there, like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Whoa, dude, no, not that one, dude. The other one, dude. No, the other TikTok song, bro. Oh, yeah, that one. We'll do it like that. Now that we got it all done, you can see we have more clearance, ground clearance in the front. We'll go ahead and drop the height of the hitch. We got more clearance for the jack. It'll swing down without a problem now. The trailer still rides level. All done.